Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to share with you the automotive MV standardized based project. We tell you the exact money, smart money. Have you ever worked with Solana, using Solana or using a Binance Smart Chain? And smart money will only work this democratized MV technology, which can automatically reward all users who have access in daily basis. But this an average trader will with billions of traders move through crypto every day. It means the maximum profit. You don't need to market analyze technical skills. You can join the community. We have already joined thousands of members. We have smart MV board options. It's going to the interface. You will find MV board and you use the today video will be for video. You will find the more feature analytic MV trading. So fast here the profitable and don't need to skills and how it work here today. I'll share the complete review with you and you can see here 0.01 0.101 sold with the average profit you can take here. So the get opportunity automatic profit here, you can go into select MV board and now the basically here you can analyze and get a Solana BNB based multi-chain expansion strategy which working scarcely and the board work. First of all here your transactions it's true high splittage here after construction and submitting by executing. You will get off-chain, on-chain, and attack executions, profit executions. You will get the complete process. Here you can these all features which you can see here. The many people already joined this join and about the details. Now you can see here and the inform the reviews, and if you want to join this here you can contact with the wallet and use the Phantom KX Trust wallet and BNB Solana based network. You can write your emails here. You can also write your code and I like to front of your write to I will write my email and I will continue it after the having code. I will write the stored code here. Soon you can receive your code in an email. This is the registration process. I hope you understand now. And now you can see trusted of our trade consist gains here. Look at that. This is already the thousand of people that are joined. This is the people detail you can see here. So the start extracting profit. So automatic MB strategy is the maximum profit. So now look at that here. This here you can contact your wallet address. You can OKX here and trust wallet and other helpers here. You can register through your email. So look at that here. This is the registration process. I hope you understand. Now your email will continue after having code here. Soon code received on your email address. Yeah, you can click on the confirm your account will be logged in and check it out my account by login here. And now you can see my account by login here. And now you have click on the wallet here. My balance already shown. Now you can see here that you can, if you want to deposit here, have you click the deposit here. If you want to have use to USDT or Solana using the BIP20 network, you will get a QR code and you will also on get address here. Copy through this address. You can add a payment here. I already have $1,000 in my account. My balance available here. Now you can see. So I will show you the using. Now have you can have the most come to interface here. There's the MEV board. You have click on after the get here how much percentage you support here. This ecosystem helps you activate to minimum account start from USDT. So heavy options are if you want to activate, you can click here and click in now the big activity MV board, and after you can also you can also get your activation date here, and now the which 30 days ago, and now you have planned to activate it at this time. Now you can see here to join the options here activate you can use your wallet and currencies. The process which you have to any asset in your wallet to access your wallet here after available here balance also percentage. If you activate here become the deposit wallet, you can click activate the amount here. So now 7 days next the profit ratio will come, and now how much maximum limits are 3000 USDT guys, the maximum here. So here the amount will come and have click continue. MEV board will proceed your activations. So here the first of all You can click on MV board here. You can also activate it here. After, you can get the option MEV board now live. We have click here, activate, and here we are balance are come here. You can get confirm the payment here. We activated MV board. In the same way, you can see in the same way we have also joined, and you can get your answer. It's related information. We have now received the rest of the payment, and we activate the board, and now you can easily see here have the option you activate the records community details. Many people join this support of their communities. Look at that here. Bull small extracting here. If you have click on the profit 30 days 7 days, you can click related to how much maximum amount you can next 7 days confirm. It will also activated in the same way. You have joined, the many people have already in the join it. Check it out. Now you can see you have joined. Also rewards, if you have click the refer, you can get your referral link to share your friends and family circles and social platforms, and we join the bonus available here. Join the available extracted. Now you have community. If you have to join the same day, you analyze here which providing all features. I hope you understand everything we have shared with you. Is the next questions why is it so? And the next, and see you in the next video. So this is our platform. I hope you understand now each and everything. Explain you all the details very deeply. So this is our platform. I hope you understand now. The best project here, the MV trading. MV automated tradings are here. You can use the platform so for automated tradings. So this is my video. See you next video. Subscribe my channel or press the bell icon for latest updates.